EtherFi is up more than 40% today. The momentum does not stop. But how long can this last? Let's have a look at data most people aren't considering. Let's look at the on-chain metrics. Now here's the rally I'm talking about. We are currently at $4.24. A gain of 42% in one day. But we did see our initial dump. Now we pretty much recovered. What's going on here? I'm not going to bore you with content from the website like other YouTubers. Let's look at the really interesting data instead. To be more specific, let's look at demand versus supply. How much more new supply will be hitting the market and how is demand developing? That's in the end what determines the price going forward. Here's something very important. This is CryptoRank.io and this shows the EtherFi profile. 6% got unlocked due to an airdrop. Another 3% is in liquidity. But have a look at all of the allocation that's not yet circulating. The current market cap is 500 million roughly, but the fully diluted market cap is more than 4 billion. The circulating supply, according to CoinMarketCap, is only 11.5%. So the supply will almost 10x from here. The demand has to grow by that much as well. Will that happen? Is 4 billion really a fair valuation? On top of that, it appears there might be some manipulation happening here because not all of the trading volume happens on chain. In fact, only the minority happens on chain. This is already after 3 days of launch, a token dominated by Binance. And we've also got bets on the price with the perpetual futures. So Binance is holding a lot of tokens and at the same time they offer bets on the token price. This is like paying the referee in a football game and you offer bets on that football match. Not so pretty. But there is some data that's actually encouraging. Not everything is bad here. Let's have a look at how much capital was EtherFi so far able to attract. And we got that over here. This is DeFi Llama and this is the token profile page. We've already got almost 3 billion in total value locked. So now the fully diluted market cap of 4.3 billion doesn't look that bad anymore. But maybe we can find out a bit more. Let's have a look at the on-chain data. Even though not all trading volume happens on-chain, let's see how many whales versus how many retail investors are in this and if they're still accumulating. Here's the number of wallets of EtherFi. It shows retail on the left, medium-sized retail in the middle, and the whales on the right. On the left side, we've got the number of wallets that hold at least 200 tokens. So at the current price, that's a bit over $800. That's what I'd consider retail. In the middle, we've got medium-sized retail. That's a 10x from the left chart, so that's $8,000. On the right, we've got the whales. That's at least $80,000 worth of the token. We can see that the whales tend to still be accumulating somewhat, or at least the number of whales is increasing. A lot of that momentum, though, has slowed down in the last hours. Now, there's two explanations for this. Either nobody has interest in EtherFi anymore, or alternatively, everybody moved to the centralized exchanges. I suspect the second is the case simply because the gas fees are now so high on Ethereum. You have to pay $20, $30, $40 just to execute a single swap. And this, of course, is especially a problem for small retail that only has $800 or a bit more than that in the token. This is 100% a momentum play. It's very important to watch that total value lock chart on DeFi Llama. If that slows down, then the valuation might not be justified and then the token inflation could take over. So one way to trade this is with a trailing stop loss. So you continue riding this wave, but you adjust your stop loss. And once the momentum slows down and it turns around a little bit, then you get stopped out. If it's your first time here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. There's also a free Telegram. Link is down below.